Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix FC24 cards not found. So guys, to fix this basically it's easy. If the cards are not showing, so guys, first you can try fix by restarting the game. So guys, this is first thing you can try. Maybe it's going to work out to actually just guys restart the game. And also what you can they try, if this not going to work, you have to delete guys and reinstall the game again. This is also was advice, and so really reinstalling the game guys, this is going to fix the issue. And because yes, like work around to try, but maybe people reported that if they didn't restart or reinstall, come just back guys and reinstall the game. Or guys, contact the support team and you have fixed the issue. And yes, this is how you can do guys. I have this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more content.